Sentence yes, in this session, we will cover all the MCQs which were remained in last session and completed. So let's begin. MCQ 16. In the load style dialog box, dash option loads the paragraph and the character style from the selected document into the current document. Option A page, option B paragraph, option C override, option D text. Of course, it is option B paragraph. If you select paragraph, it will apply for paragraph as well as character. MCQ 17. When you apply a dash, you apply a group of formatting effects together in one single step. This was asked in sample question paper 2021 term 1. Option A effect, option B style, option C template, option D format. Of course, it is style. This has been asked in many question papers. MCQ 18. The dash alignment makes sure that none of the edges of the text appear ragged. Option A left, option B right, option C center, option D justify. Yes, answer is option D justify. This alignment makes sure that none of the edges of the text appear ragged. MCQ 19. Dash styles in a text document affect selected text within the paragraph such as font and the size of the text and bold and italics format. This has been asked in sample paper 2021 term 1. A cell, B paragraph, C formatting and D character. D character has been used. Answer is D character. MCQ 20. Line or paragraph spacing is measured in lines or points which is referred to as leading. When leading is reduced, it automatically brings the lines of the text closer. We all have observed this, isn't it? So, how is this possible? From which toolbar this can be done? They are asking. Option A formatting toolbar, option B status bar, C standard toolbar, none of this. This option we can use it through the help of formatting toolbar. Option A formatting toolbar. So now we have completed MCQ 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. MCQ 21. Dash is a section of the document that appears at the bottom margin of the page. Bottom margin, definitely you will come to know it is footer. Options are A footer, B header, C head, D tail. So a footer is a section of document that appears at the bottom of the margin of the page. MCQ 22. Dash points split text in columns at a specific point. Option A column break, option B page break, option C next page break, option D continuous break. Answer is option A column break, which splits text in columns at a specific point. MCQ 23. Which shortcut key is used to make the selected text italic? Option A Ctrl plus I, option B Shift plus I, option C F1 plus I, option D none of these. The answer is Ctrl plus I is the shortcut key to make the selected text italic. Question MCQ 24. Garima is a book editor. She wants to change the indentation of all the paragraph and change the font of all titles in the book. Which feature she should use to make the task easy? This was asked in sample question paper 2021 term 1. Answer is A. Styles. The options are A. Styles, B. Template, C. Table of content, D. Consolidation. Answer is A. Styles. MCQ 25. We can underline the text by option A. Control B, option B. Control plus I, option C. Control plus U, option D. None of this. Control U, isn't it? Control plus U, if you select, then you can underline your text. MCQ 26. Which of the following is not an extension of a word processor file? So option A, doc.doc, option B, .docx, option C, .dodt, option C is .odt, and option D is .csv. CSV is the extension of CSV is comma separated value, used to store structured data like Excel sheet. ODT is for word process. docx is also for word processor. DOC is also for word. So .csv is for Excel sheet. It is not for word processor. So we have completed MCQ 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Next, MCQ 27. The insert tab symbol option from symbol group is used to option A, insert the footer, option B, insert the header, option C, format document, option D, insert symbols. Here you have to just think, in case if you have doubt, go to insert symbol and cross check once. So the answer is insert tab symbol option that is available in symbol group is used to insert symbols in the document. MCQ 28. Styles help to improve consistency in a document. Identify the styles that is used to format graphic and text frames, including wrapping text, borders, background and column. This question was asked in 2021 sample question paper term 1. A. Numbering, option B. Graphics, option C. Character, option D. Frame. The answer is frame. MCQ 27. The insert tab symbol option from symbol group is used to A. Insert the footer, B. Insert the header, C. Format document, D. Insert symbol. Answer is D. Insert tab symbol option from symbol group is used to insert symbol in a document. It is D. MCQ 28. Styles help to improve consistency in a document. So identify the style that is used to format graphic and text frames, including wrapping text, wrapping type, borders, background and column. This question has been asked in 2021 sample question paper term 1. Option A, numbering, option B, graphics, option C, character, option D, frame. Frame style in LibreOffice or OpenOffice are used to format graphics, text frames, wrapping. Wrapping means how text flow around the object. Border, background, columns inside the frame. MCQ 29. In a document, dash is used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. Same. This was asked in sample question paper 2021 term 1. Options are A. Fill format mode, B. Painter mode, C. Formatting window, D. Text wrapping. Answer is A. Fill format mode. MCQ 30. Manu explained to his class that to apply an existing style except for position, the insertion point in the paragraph, frame or page, and then double click on the name of the style in one of these lists. See, he explained, what is called as paragraph, frame, page, everything except one. He forgot one to explain. Which one was that? Option A, window style. Option B, character style. Option C, paragraph style. Option D, cell style. It is option B, character style. See, cell style and window style is not available in LibreOffice Writer. Got it? MCQ 31. The windows shows the type of style available for OpenOffice, openoffice.org component you are using. A. Styles and formatting. B. Insert. C. Font and formatting insert. D. Edit. It is styles and formatting. So, we have covered MCQ 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Next. Any settings, MCQ 32. Any settings that can be added to or modified in the document can be saved in a template. Which of the settings below cannot be included in writer's document and saved as a template for later use? Option A, styles for later use. Option B, format and settings of table. Option C, printer settings. Option D, formula settings. Yes, their formula settings doesn't exist. You cannot do formula settings. MCQ 33. Dash styles in OpenOffice Writer, or we can take it as LibreOffice Writer, is used to format numbered of bullets list. Option A, paragraph. Option B, page. Option C, frame. Option D, list. Answer is option D, list. MCQ 34. Which of the following is not used for creating a new style in OpenOffice Writer? Option A, selection. Option B, style dialog box. Option C, format dialog box. Option D, all of this. The answer is C, format dialog box. MCQ 35. Dash styles are used to format graphics and text frames, including text wrap, border, background and column. Option A, border. Option B, frame. Option C, table. Option D, text. We have repeated the question. Now this question has been twisted and given here. So answer is same, frame. So frame style in LibreOffice, OpenOffice are used to format graphics, text frames, wrapping. What do you mean by wrapping? Which allows text to flows around the object, border, background, column. MCQ 36. If you dash styles and then change the base style, then all the dash styles will change as well. Here a concept called as link and linked. So if you link styles and then change the base styles, then all the linked styles will change as well, is the answer. Option given here as A, link, linked, B, copy, copied, C, edit, edited, D, none of this. Answer here is link, linked. Now we have covered all the questions related to this particular chapter, MCQ questions. If you want question and answers asked from this chapter, comment me and I will get you the solutions. By now, we have completed the whole chapter. Thank you.